No.
Eve, look at mommy. Can you say,
Mommy.
say super hot?
Too hot.
Super,
Super.
super hot.
Super hot.
Nay, good job.
Mommy, I'm coloring his friend's face red. Super hot.
There you go.
Super hot.
Good job.
Too hot.
What are you eating today, Eve?
Beet.
Beans, and what else?
Rice.
Rice, what else? What's this?
Honey.
Honey what?
Beet.
Beans. What's this?
Honey.
Honey. What else is in it?
Yogurt.
Yeah?
Mommy.
Mommy.
Eve.
Eve.
Plate.
Who?
Plate. Plate.
Plate. Yes.
Water.
Water.
So, other two.
Don't spill. Good job.
I'm coloring both of face
I love you.
red.
Oh.